How to install Windows 7 operating system. Step 1. Go to the BIOS and set the first boot device to CD or DVD. Step 2. Insert the installation media and boot from media. It will load the Windows files. Step 3. Select your language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method and click Next. Step 4. Click Install Now. Step 5. Check I accept the license terms and click Next. Step 6. Click Upgrade if you already have a previous Windows version and want to upgrade it, or Custom if you don't have a previous Windows version or want to install a fresh copy of Windows 7. Step 7. Skip this step if you choose Upgrade and have only one partition. Otherwise, select the drive where you want to install the Windows 7 and click Next. If you want to make any partition, click Drive Options, Advanced, make the partitions and then click Next. Step 8. The setup will now start installing Windows 7. The first step, copying Windows files, will complete instantly. The second step will take the most time. Again, depends on the computer configuration you have. The third and fourth step will also complete instantly like the first step. Step 9. After that, it will automatically restart after 15 seconds and continue the setup. You can also click Restart Now to restart without any delays. Step 10. After restarting for the first time, it will continue the setup. This is the last step, so it will take the most time than the previous steps. Step 11. It will now automatically restart again and continue the setup. You can click Restart Now to restart without any delays. Step 12. Setup will prepare the computer for your use. Step 13. Type your desired username in the text box and click Next. It will automatically fill up the computer name. Step 14. If you want to set a password, type it in the text boxes and click Next. Step 15. Type your product key in the text box and click Next. You can skip this step and simply click Next if you want to type the product key later. Windows will run only for 30 days if you do that option. Step 16. Select your desired option for Windows Update. Step 17. Select your time and click Next. Step 18. If you are connected to any network, it will ask you to set the network's location. Step 19. Windows will complete installation and a welcome message will appear. Step 20. Now your operating system is ready to use. And that's how it is done.